there! Ever feel like you're drowning in debt with legal notices piling up faster than you can say court date? Well, today I've got something that might just be your life raft. Meet SoloSuit. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another legal service? Really? But stick with me because this one is a game changer. Picture this. You're up against a debt lawsuit and it feels like David versus Goliath. Only, in this version, David's got a secret weapon. SoloSuit. This isn't just any old slingshot, it's a full-on legal hack. So what exactly is SoloSuit? Well, it's a web app that helps you respond to debt lawsuits without having to spend a fortune on a lawyer. It simplifies the whole process, making it as easy as pie. And who doesn't love pie? Let's break it down. SoloSuit walks you through creating a legal response in a step-by-step manner. It's like having a legal wingman who's got your back. Need a document reviewed by an attorney? Done. Need to file those documents? SoloSuit's got you covered. Now here's the kicker. It's affordable, like really affordable. Traditional law firms can cost you an arm and a leg, but with SoloSuit, you get top-notch guidance without breaking the bank. But don't just take my word for it. Check out these reviews. Users have praised SoloSuit for its ease of use, speed, and affordability. Some have even had their cases dismissed or settled. That's the kind of happy ending we're all looking for, right? Of course, no service is perfect. Some users have mentioned additional fees, and a few had issues with document errors, but overall, the feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Is SoloSuit a complete substitute for a lawyer? Not quite. It's fantastic for straightforward cases, but for complex situations, you might still want to consult a legal professional. But that's the beauty of SoloSuit. It bridges the gap between expensive legal help and going it alone. It's like having a legal GPS guiding you through a tricky maze. So, if you're facing a debt lawsuit and feeling overwhelmed, why not give SoloSuit a try? Click the link in the description below to get a special discount. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Remember, life's too short to be stressed out by debt. Let SoloSuit be your legal wingman and reclaim your peace of mind. Click that link, take control, and breathe easy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more life hacks and reviews. See you next time.